Good morning. I will quickly explain you what I have done here. So I have used this data set, which consists in 50 questions, and the answers provided by couples, and basically the answers comes between 0 and 4 in that scale, and this data set is basically predicting if the couple will divorce or not. So we have 54 questions, and the outcome will be 1 indicating that the couple is divorced and 0 indicating that the couple is not divorced. So I use this data set to predict if they're gonna divorce or not based on the answer of these questions. So I created an hyper parameter tuning file, which consists basically on searching the best configuration for the model. I am using random forest, by the way, to try to predict the best outcome. So one important thing here, I'm just going to use my GitHub version because my virtual machine works very slow. So yeah, one thing that I want to explain here was that how I deploy the model. So basically I am using, once I register the model, I am just creating an environment with all the packages I need, and then I am just creating or using an Azure compute instance for deployment. So yeah, I am enable authentication and app insights to debug. I think this is very useful. I was experimenting a lot of problems, so I decided to upload this into a local web service first. But then once I saw the logs and what the problem was, I was able to deploy this into the Azure configuration instance without any problem. So yeah, once I have done this, I am able to consume the endpoint. That's basically that I have my API, which generates, in this case, data that will be sent to the API. In this case, it generates just it answers 1 to all the 54 questions, and then it just sends this data through a request using this URL, and also I have an API key and the headers. So once I receive a response, I just print that response. And for the AutoML, what I have done here is that basically I am using a pipeline to try to search for the best model in this case. So I am using the AutoML step that it's going to be provided to the pipeline, and once this runs, I'm able to get the metrics and the best model. And once I have this, I can just register this best model. So I can deploy it later if I want. I took the decision to upload the hyperdrive version because it has an accuracy of 0.99. And if we compare this to the AutoML, you will see that the best accuracy we got was 0.98. So that's why I decided to deploy this hyperdrive version and not the AutoML. So if you want to see my endpoint working, you can just drop down. Oh, this is very slow. I apologize. Okay, scroll down. All right. It was very uncomfortable to use this virtual machine. Okay, so in this case, I'm supposing that I am answer, for instance, to all the questions I can answer with four. Then I can just say next, next, next to have the Swagger URI, and then I can see that the prediction, if you answer to all the questions to one, four, it means that you're gonna probably divorce. That was the answer of the API. So yeah, that's what I got. I think I am running out of time, so I will just stop there. Thank you very much, and have a good rest of the day.